I got a notification earlier that Robinhood is handing out free Bitcoin, so I figured, why not? Let's come here and get it. So what you want to do is tap on the crypto tab on the bottom of the screen. Then you want to scroll down until you see Learn and Earn Bitcoin. Go ahead and tap on this. We're going to have to do a little 4-minute mini lesson here to earn some free Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and go through this. Time to test your knowledge. Correctly answer at least 4 of the 5 questions to earn your reward. What makes Bitcoin scarce? A limit of how many can be created. On to the next one. What can you do with Bitcoin? All of the above. When is the next halving event for Bitcoin mining expected to happen? April 2024. How many Satoshis add up to 1 Bitcoin? Google says 100 million, so we'll go with that. When was the first recorded purchase made with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin came out in like 2009, so I'm guessing it was 2010. There we go. Done. I should have earned $1 of Bitcoin. So we can go to my Bitcoin holdings here now. See your position. I don't even think they gave me it. Dude, I think I just got scammed. So I was right, it didn't send right away, but it did send after a few hours. You can see right here under your position, it's now 0.0001, so up $1 from the previous balance. You guys can do this too to earn a little bit of free Bitcoin. You might not say it's a lot now, but wait till Bitcoin is like $1 million, then you'll be happy that you did this. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.